Welcome to Around the World channel. Don't count on vaccine against COVID-19, top HIV scientist warns, Fox News. Get all the latest news on coronavirus and more delivered daily to your inbox. Sign up here. A leading HIV scientist in the U.S. said Wednesday that people shouldn't expect a COVID-19 vaccine anytime soon, according to a report. Warren pivots on Medicare for all in bid to become Biden's VP, Politico. Warren is trying to demonstrate her value to a future Biden administration and interest in the job without too explicitly campaigning for it, which could backfire. Her cell phone number used to be Elon Musk's. You can imagine the calls she gets. NPR. A couple years ago, Lindsay Tucker started receiving texts and calls for Tesla and SpaceX chief executive Elon Musk. It seems at an AMP, randomly reassigned his old number to Tucker. She assures people she does not work for Musk or his companies. Thousands in India and Bangladesh left homeless as Cyclone Amphan heaps misery on coronavirus hit communities, CNN. Thousands of people have been left homeless in the wake of Cyclone Amphan, which slammed into India's eastern coast on Wednesday afternoon, as authorities race to provide relief efforts in communities already stricken by the coronavirus. New coronavirus outbreaks push China to impose Wuhan-style lockdown in the northeast, The New York Times. In Shulin, a city in China's northeast, the streets are eerily quiet, devoid of taxis and buses. Apartment complexes have been sealed off, confining residents inside. Michigan Gov. Whitmer pleads for aid from Trump to help deal with catastrophic 500-year flood. Daily Mail. Michigan Gov. Gretchen Whitmer on Wednesday sought federal emergency aid for the devastating flooding that has forced 10,000 to evacuate their homes in the midst of a pandemic. In a letter to President Donald Trump, Whitmer asked that he declare an emergency. Lufthansa nears rescue, making Germany its top shareholder, Yahoo Finance. Bloomberg. Deutsche Lufthansa AG said it's close to a multi-billion euro bailout deal that would see the state become its biggest shareholder after the coronavirus punctured a decades-long boom in air travel. Lufthansa shares gained as much as 5. AstraZeneca says it can produce 1 billion doses of Oxford's potential COVID-19 vaccine. MarketWatch. Stephen Goldstein is based in London and responsible for MarketWatch's coverage of financial markets in Europe, with a particular focus on global macro and commodities. White House report criticizes China's economic policies, human rights violations. CNBC. U.S. President Donald Trump attends a bilateral meeting with China's President Xi Jinping during the G20 Leaders Summit in Osaka, Japan, June 29, 2019. Look, Denny Hamlin puts on happy face mask after winning NASCAR Cup Series Toyota 500 Darlington, CBS Sports. The second NASCAR Cup Series race after the coronavirus hiatus ultimately had an anticlimactic ending. Denny Hamlin took what amounted to the checkered flag after the race was called due to rain with 20 laps to go. Please, like this video and subscribe to the channel if you want to stay tuned for upcoming news.